Alright guys, so thinking that we're just going to go ahead, I'm going to put those Cobras on this bike. This could be a really bad decision on my part, because I don't think this bike's been flashed. It doesn't seem to have been flashed. I've never looked to make sure, but I don't think it has. And I know last time I did this, seemed like it backfired like crazy. So this might be a really big mistake. So I might be getting a flash done really soon. But remember we did those lights. These things came apart really easily. So that's the good news. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start on these exhausts. The real reason I want to change them is they were bluing. Well, they blued at some point in their life. I got some of it out, but you can still see there's a lot, you know, here or there. The other side looks about the same. So I think we'll just put these Cobras on. Alright, that's all I got. I'm not going to go through the whole thing with y'all, I don't believe, so quick video. Guys, looks like we got it done. Recommend anybody use some ultra copper when you're doing this, maybe. Put it around your flange whenever you put it together. That copper will help you not have any exhaust leaks. But this is pretty loud. Not sure how the backfire is going to go. I'm nervous. Oh. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. I was really expecting a boom. Alright, that's all I got, guys. That's it. Might have to pull those baffles out. I might have to wrap them. That is unwrapped right there. That is just straight baffles. No fiberglass in there. So we might put some glass in there, try to help it until I can get something done with it. That's all I got, guys. MEtricoil.com. Go get some oil. I can use some money. Later.